What if I told you this unfinished house could become a masterpiece in every season? Right now, you're looking at a simple construction site. Bare walls, open windows, raw cement, buckets, sand, gravel. It looks ordinary. But watch closely. Because architecture is not just about walls and roofs. It's about transformation. Imagine this same house under heavy rain. The sky turns dramatic. Water hits the metal roof. The ground becomes reflective. Suddenly, it feels alive. Now picture winter. Snow blankets the roof. Soft smoke rises from inside. The cold morning sun touches the white surface. Warmth meets frost. Then comes sunrise. Golden light spills across the snow. A cinematic lens flare dances across the frame. This is no longer a construction site. It's a story. Now shift to a bright summer afternoon. Sharp shadows. Clean lines. Modern finishes. Glass reflecting blue skies. Landscaping complete. A luxury entrance revealed. From raw structure to premium home. From mud to masterpiece. This is the power of vision. Because before every dream home, there was a moment like this. Unfinished. Unpolished. Full of potential. The question is, can you see the future before it exists? If you love architectural transformations like this, subscribe and follow the journey. Because the next transformation might be even more dramatic.